Strong overnight winds pushed heavy, thick smoke down to Saskatoon, Regina, and other communities hundreds of kilometers away from any wildfire. The smoke is coming from the fires burning in northwestern Saskatchewan, Alberta, BC, and the Northwest Territories.
Obviously, you can smell it in the air, so I'm just hoping this wind stays up so it makes it easier for everybody else to do activities outside.
Just the smell and kind of affecting my nose, making it tickle, but that's about it.
I try to go less. I typically try to go for runs, and I won't be doing any of that. I did go for a little walk this morning. It was still really smoky. I see a lot of people with masks on, which I'm considering doing, but I haven't quite yet.
Air quality health index values soared above a value of 10, which is a very high risk. An Environment Canada official says the air quality and visibility can fluctuate by location from hour to hour, but these very high risk levels are rare in Saskatchewan.
We don't often see wildfire smoke this early in the season. And I think that's what the real rare part is.
Many school trips and sports events were canceled Wednesday, but not all of them. This track meet went ahead in Regina, so students would have the chance to qualify for provincials.
What we are doing, we've asked that any students who have existing lung conditions needed to have express permission from their parents to attend today, and also anybody with a medication needed to have that medication with them today.
One first aid instructor said these conditions are uncomfortable for the general public, but they can be dangerous for anyone with breathing or heart conditions.
For the general public, if you're healthy, it's probably not that big of a deal. It's an inconvenience for a few days. But for people who have lung problems, heart problems, breathing problems of any kind, that can be a much bigger deal. And that's where they want to be aware of what's going on. And for some of these people, it might mean that they're going to be staying home. They definitely make sure their medication is up to date and they've got enough to get them through something like this.
Conditions improved Wednesday afternoon in Saskatoon and other communities. But with hot, dry weather in the forecast, weather experts say there could be more smoke to come. Jason Warwick, CBC News, Saskatoon.